Hello, you are welcome to sequence 8 of session 3. I am your life skills class 1 teacher. In this sequence, we shall be talking about modern ICT tools used in communication. Modern ICT tools of communication. Relax and enjoy the sequence. Before we proceed with this very exciting lesson, I now want you to answer the following questions based on your previous knowledge. Identify the correct answer from the list below. Identify the correct answer from the list below. Question 1. A dash is an example of a modern ICT tool. A dash is an example of a modern ICT tool. A. Television. B. Flute. C. Plane. Question 2. The opposite of modern ICT tools is dash. A. Modern ICT tools. B. Traditional ICT tools. And the correct answers for activity 1 are 1. A dash is an example of a modern ICT tool. And the correct answer is television. Beautiful. 2. The opposite of modern ICT tools is dash. And the correct answer is traditional ICT tools. Wonderful. In this sequence on modern ICT tools, the following topics will be discussed. The different modern ICT tools. Uses of modern ICT tools. As such, at the end of this sequence, you should be able to define modern ICT tools, list some modern ICT tools, and state some of the uses of the different modern ICT tools in communication. Now to the lesson proper. Modern ICT tools. Modern ICT tools. What are modern ICT tools? Modern ICT tools are things used to communicate over long distances. I repeat, modern ICT tools are things used to communicate over long distances. For example, you live in Boya or in Douala or in Yaoundé, wherever you find yourself, and you are talking to a friend who is in America using a phone or a telephone. Or you are in Boya and you are watching a football match on the television showing from, or you are watching a football match that is being played in a stadium in Nigeria. Now, some of the modern ICT tools we have are a phone, a computer, a radio, and even a television. Remember, modern ICT tools are things used to communicate over long distances. And some of the uses of modern ICT tools include: 1. For entertainment. Modern ICT tools like a radio, a computer, and a television are used for entertainment. That is, you can listen to music and news from the radio. You can also watch cartoons and play games from your computer and your television. Now, look above and you will find an image of a radio. A radio entertains you because from the radio you listen to good music and the news. The same way, from a television you can listen to news or good music. And the other Matt. Now, Bema go ask.